In 2061, one city banned sleep.
A new invention made people feel fully rested without sleeping, allowing our society to stay active and thrive at every hour.
Productivity exploded.
The city became the richest on Earth.
But something strange started happening. Things that I could not explain.
People stop dreaming. The city is quiet and the world.
Then they stopped imagining new ideas, leaving only the hollow echoes of a world that had forgotten how to dream of anything else.
Would you give up sleep forever?